Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some more things to talk about. I don't know if update is necessarily the right word, but as far as levels that I've talked about, maybe confirmation would be more of an accurate term. The big point of confirmation comes about via this pink line right here, which I talked about in yesterday's video, the 200 period simple moving average, and how that was a very important level of support. And you can see that after today played out, once again, the price did a great job of not only holding that support, but producing some very nice bounce points. Now, charts are not perfect. There's no such thing as a holy grail, but these are the things that always make me laugh when people, oh, charts are worthless, charts are worthless. Well, tell that to the chart, technical traders that bought right there, got a nice little scalp trade there, that bought right there, and who knows, maybe we're still holding right now up very nicely because the price, happened to bounce off that level a couple more times. Again, am I saying charts are perfect? No, but to just sit there and say they're totally worthless, you're being disingenuous to yourself, and you're not showing all the different possibilities that exist out there. So with that note, I'm going to just go ahead and get this green line out of here and move it down to that area right there, because it's looking like in the event that if the pink line here, the 200 period, does not hold strong, the next level of support and probably the next area where the price would head would lead me down to the $20 mark. But so far, so good. Not only has that pink line been holding, but like I said, it's also produced some very nice bounces from there. In terms of levels of resistance, this is where the other point of confirmation comes about. I'm pretty sure I've talked about this purple line in the past videos being that initial area of resistance. And surprise, surprise, look right where the price happened to get rejected from today. I'm not saying the price cannot break above that purple line. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle up around that area today, when the price, was starting to bounce. If the price can push through the purple line, then, as I've talked about in the past, next overall level of resistance up there at the $22 mark. So all in all, another quite volatile day, but the bulls held strong, stayed above that 200 period. So let's see if they can continue to do that or not going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.